Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do the inside track deals again, but there were so many, even more were released after I did my last video, that we just pulled anything that's 30% off and more. We're going to avoid anything that's less than 30% off, and we're just going to look at the best deals. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing, hyping, maybe becoming a channel member. There's like 12 HARBRO pros. Anyways, let's look at that. But first, just a reminder, last day, July 5th, 15% off. Happy 4th. Let me know how your 4th was. I hope it was amazing. And then next weekend, free bucket weekend, 10th to the 12th. These ITC deals will be going on. So if you're going to try to get your free bucket, some of these could be good options. But let's start off with some of these we went over, but some of them are new. And again, these are sorted out as 30% or more. So we have the 30% off your buy 2 or more paintbrushes and rollers. It qualifies. The 4-drawer tech cart, $70 off, over 30% off, $150. Great deal. You got till the 30th to pull the trigger on it if you'd like. Stick Tech, of course, 60 foot by 3/4 inch industrial grade electrical tape 10-pack, 45% off. Bauer 7.5 amp half-inch variable speed hammer drill, $30, 33% off. And we have, just so you know, we have Icon sorted out over here. Now we just pulled all the Icon deals. Some of them are great, some of them are so-so, but I know Icon is a little bit different, but we'll go over those at the end. We have the 12 outlet 4-foot metal power strip, $15, 34% off. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty pliers set, 6-piece, $10, 33% off. Now there's a second rule, another rule. If something's like 30% off, but it's only a few dollars, I haven't included it unless it's over 50% off, and anything over 50% off, I will include. Anyways, 33% off of the Pittsburgh pliers set, 6-piece, down to $10. Pittsburgh's 29.5-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool, 15-pound capacity, $259, 52% off. Voyager's 4-foot by 12-foot canvas drop cloth, down to $5, normally $9.50, 47% off. Hercules, the 4.5-inch type 29 flap disc with plastic backing and ceramic grain, available in 36, 60, 80, or 120 grit, down to $6, normally $13, 53% off. Nuts. Chicago Electric Blue Design Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, $30, only $45, 33% off. Radiator Pressure Tester Kit, $69.99 is nice, but it's only $100, so it meets the $30 off, 30% off, so good deal. Bauer, 15 amp 7-inch trigger grip angle grinder with 180-degree rotating body. I like to hear that. $69.99, also nice, normally $100, $30 off. We continue. Union Safe Company, 1.51 cubic foot electronic lock gun floor safe, down to $100, normally $150, $50 off, so that's 33% off. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 7-inch wire stripper with cutter, $3, normally $6, 50% off. Bauer's multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade set, 4-piece, $10, 41% off, down from $17. The half-inch MPT industrial air filter regulator with gauge, $80, down from $120, $40 off. We continue. The HARBROs, $299, 7-foot 4-inch, 9-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp, $3, only $5.50, 45% off. Had to include it. Bauer's 20-volt cordless hedge trimmer tool, only $38, normally $55, 30% off. Hallmaster half-inch by 20-foot grade 70 trucker's chain, $90, normally $130, $40 off. Pittsburgh's pneumatic brake fluid bleeder with auto refill kit, $20, normally $30, 33% off. And this is why I like to just focus in on these deals, because these are all over 30%. These are all solid grabs that you can pick up, especially to get your free bucket. Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive teardrop composite ratchet, $10, normally $15, 33% off. Badlands 4-inch by 8-foot tree trunk protector strap, $20, normally $30, 33% off. Doyle lifetime guarantee, the 5-inch precision flush cutter, $6, normally $12, 50% off compared to Knipex. 10-inch groove pliers from Pittsburgh, down to $4, normally $7, 42% off. Some great deals, some great options to build a bag. We have to do a build a bag. We're gonna do it. Bunker Hill Security, 2 3/4-inch circular padlock, $5, normally $9, 44% off. The Pittsburgh 1-pound neon orange dead blow hammer, down to $4, normally $8, 50% off as well. Braun 800 lumen rechargeable LED workshop light, $25, normally $38, 34% off. We have some Doyle, more Doyle, lifetime guarantee demolition screwdrivers, 2-piece, down to $5.89, normally 10 bucks, 41% off, better than parking lot sale. We continue. McGraw medium barrel air hammer, 13 bucks, normally 20 bucks, 35% off. Doyle again, lifetime guarantee 10-inch professional rivet nut setter, 30 bucks, normally 50 bucks, 40% off. Chief professional air hammer chisel set 6-piece, $40, normally 60 bucks, 33% off compared to Snap-on. Bowers 20-volt cordless 0 to 160 psi inflator tool only, 20 bucks, normally 30 bucks, 33% off. And this one we asked about in the last video. A lot of the HARBROs, or a few of the HARBROs, definitely recommended it. Maybe he's saying that it's a little slow, but it gets the job done, is what I took from it. This snuck in. I didn't move it over. Icon 3/8-inch drive professional socket extension set, 6-piece, 30 bucks, only 25% off, but for Icon it's an honorable mention, so I included it, normally 40 bucks. Franklin 2-step steel stool, 20 bucks, only 30 bucks, 33% off. Central Machinery's 2.5-liter ultrasonic cleaner, $69.99 is nice. Non-member price is 100 bucks, $30 off. Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity swing away trailer jack, $25, normally 38 bucks, 34% off. Again, excellent deal. Banks compact palm nailer, 20 bucks, normally 30 bucks, 33% off. Central pneumatic 3/8-inch belt air sander, $20, normally 30 bucks, 33% off. McGraw 6-inch dual action air sander polisher, $30, down from 50 bucks, 40% off. The US magnetic tray with screwdriver holder, down to 10 bucks, only 16 bucks, 37% off. And then the last few here before we jump into Icon is the Hallmaster 5,000-pound capacity A-frame trailer jack, 35 bucks, normally 50 bucks, 30% off. The Hardy latex dipped work gloves, medium, large, extra large, $1, normally 3 bucks, 66% off. I do think we've seen them down to $1. And then we have the Vulcan flux core welding wire 2-pound roll, $15, normally 25 bucks, 40% off. And so these are the, I've gone over all the ITC deals. These are all minimum 30% off and up. So these are the absolute best deals that are going on for ITC right now inside Track Club. And then we'll look, there's quite a bit of Icon. Now these don't necessarily meet that threshold, but I've included them all, so we'll go over them. We have the Icon quarter-inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 48-piece, $30 off. That's 25%. Then the 3/8-inch drive professional semi-deep socket set, 12-piece at 25% off, 30 bucks. Icon's 1,000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light with UV inspection, $45, normally 60 bucks, 25% off. The 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77-inch extendable under hood floodlight, $36 off, normally 100 bucks, so that's definitely 36% off. Great deal on that. Of the Icon Master Technician premium gloves, large, extra large, 20 bucks. 20% off is solid, not too bad. Icon 8-inch needle nose pliers, 18 bucks, down from 22 bucks, 18% off. Icon's extra long professional metric double box flex ratcheting wrench set, 5-piece, $180, $50 off. Not too bad, but these do go up to 35 to 40% off. Icon's 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers at 25 bucks, 16% off. We did these socket extensions at 30 bucks, 25% off. Icon 3/8-inch drive 40 to 200 inch-pound professional compact click torque wrench, 100 bucks, down from 120, so $20 off, sub 20%. Icon's professional impact socket adapter set, 4-piece, 25 bucks, down from $33, 25% off. Icon's T8 professional intelligent diagnostic scanner, $780, $120 off, down from 900 bucks, but still sub 20%. The Icon brake caliper set, 20-piece, the master set, 50 bucks, normally $69.99, 28% off. Brand new G2 ratchet deals. Not a bad deal. The G2 3/4-inch drive, 26-inch long ratchet, 90 bucks, normally $120, $30 off. Icon's G2 1/2-inch drive, 26-inch extra long ratchet with comfort grip, $60, normally 75 bucks, 20% off. The 3/8-inch drive shallow socket set, 12-piece, down to 25 bucks. Choice of SAE or metric, 28% off is not too bad. Normally 35 bucks. Then we have the Icon color-coded L-shaped ball end hex key set, 13-piece, $15.49. Normally 25 bucks, 38% off. Then of course the Icon professional combination wrench set, 14-piece, only 20 bucks off. These go also up to 35, 40% off, but down to 100 bucks. And then the Icon 3/8-inch drive professional crowfoot wrench set, $40, normally 65 bucks, 38% off. And that I think is better than the last Parking lot sale, that was, I believe, only 35% off. They have been 40% off in the past, but here, right in the middle, 38% off. Choice of SAE or metric. And these are our best ITC deals going on right now, sorted for you by icon, and then anything 30% off and above. Perfect time to combine it with the free bucket weekend starting next week, July 10th through the 12th. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Again, I hope your 4th of July was great. Still got a chance to go in and get 15% off any single item today. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you used it. Let me know if you skipped it and just enjoyed some fireworks. But either way, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.